Telehandler Forklift Operation Part 2. Training and inspection, also known as a boom lift, telescopic handler, or forklift. Vehicle-mounted equipment with a boom that may extend forwards and upwards. Telehandler-specific training operators must receive extensive training, which includes both general and practical telehandler training. It entails a comprehensive examination of the operator's manual as well as warning indications. They must be familiar with all of the functions and controls for the safety devices before using them. Tests and inspections: perform a pre-shift inspection and function testing on the versatile telehandler before beginning each shift. If you detect any malfunctions or something is amiss with the machine, make a note of it right away. Furthermore, keep it out of use until it has been fixed and is safe to use again. For more information about heavy equipment and safety, Interstate Heavy Equipment can help you. Call us today at 469-370-7501 or email us at info@interstateheavyequipment.com.